What's that? Hey, you! Yeah, you. I see you looking at me on the other side of that camera. I'm really excited for you because I'm about to share something that's going to blow your mind. What I'm going to share with you is the 10 essential elements you need if you're a beginner real estate investor. But before I do, I want you to know it's a well-established fact that you have to learn something new, think something new, say something new, and do something new in order to change where you're at now to go to higher and higher levels in your life. The 10 things you need to understand when you're a beginner real estate investor are these. Business. What type of company do you need to start? Why? And for what you're going to accomplish. That's important to know because how you save taxes and write off your taxes is number 2, and it requires the proper company. 3, we teach you banking strategies to help you pay down debt quicker. IRAs, so you understand how to take people's 401ks and turn into a self-directed IRA so you can invest from that and grow your wealth tax-free. Credit. You need to understand your credit so you can keep your score up so when you need to use the bank, you get the best rates. Real estate fundamentals is really core for you being able to close deals. Why? Because when you go to the closing table, it's not only the lender, it's not only the realtor, it's not only the title company know what's going on, you do too. Real estate marketing is number 7. So you need to understand how to market the real estate once you have your property and you do what you need to before you sell it. Real estate red flags. That's an essential course, and the reason it's so valuable is it teaches you everything that's wrong with a property, not to run from the property, but to get the price down in negotiation. Creative acquisitions. This is essential because there's a lot of ways to acquire a property without going to a bank. It could be a subject to. I know many of you don't know what that is, but it could be a seller carryback mortgage. It can be lease option. It can be one of many acquisition strategies. And then there's deal of the decade. It teaches you to find properties before they're on the open market. What does that do for you? It gives you the best odds of finding some very good properties at below market value. So you take control of it, and now it's easier for you to make that profit you're after. Again, to grow, and you must learn something new, think something new, say something new, and do something new. Comment below if you have any questions or concern. And if this video was of any value to you, slam dunk that like button for me.